Isang taon pa lang ako, nasundan na ni Toto. Grade 2, 8 taon pa lang, 4 na bata ang inaalagaan. Grade 6, 12 na ako, kasing dami na ng pamilya ko. Sabi mo, pasensya na, walang pera kaya mag-drop out ka. Ina ko, sabi mo kami mahal nyo, ari ko pati kayo nagplano. Sana hindi gutom at nag-aaral pa, alaga't malusog ang buong pamilya.
Anak, bangon ka na, malilate ka. Panaginip lang pala. Buti na lang.
Anak, hati na kita.
Ang dami niyo naman. Siguro masipag mo na magulang mo. Oo nga eh. Buti nga nakaluwag-luwag na. Eh kayo ba, Rebecca? Maging dalawang magkapatid pa lang kami. Sabi kasi ni nanay noon, 5 taong ko lang muna ako bago ako magkaroon ng kapatid. Ngayon 5 taong ko lang na ako. Kaya ngayon, may baby na tayo. What? Talaga ba?
The advantages of family planning, a path to empowerment and well-being. One of the most significant advantages of family planning is to improve health and well-being of both women and children. Family planning also contributes significantly to the well-being of children. With fewer children, parents can invest more resources, financial, emotional, and time-based in each child's development.
Reduced fertility rates can contribute to slower population growth, easing pressure on resources such as food, water, and land. In conclusion, the advantages of family planning are multifaceted and far-reaching, from improving the health and well-being of women and children to contributing to sustainable development at the societal level. Family planning is a powerful tool for empowerment and progress.
Ano ba sa loob? Ano mo, kanon na yan?
Panaginip na lang?